Another reason bakit mas magiging less aggressive tayo in buying this 2025 is because for me lang, compared nung kinukumpara ko yung time ng 2022, 2023, nung nag-start tayo magbudega, 2024, nung 2022, 2023, 2024, mas malaki yung chance na umakyat talaga yung market during that time. That's why dun tayo aggressively bumibili. So, kumbaga sa risk-reward, 2022, 2023, 2024, for me, was offered the best risk-to-reward ratio. Mas malaki yung chance na umakyat yung price nung bumili ako ng 23, 24, 2022, 2023, 2024. But if I'm buying in 2025, most likely, I'll just have a 50-50 chance 50% chance na aakyat, 50% chance na bababa. Pero nung bumili tayo, 22, 2023, 2024, siguro mga nasa 80% chance yung na aakyat siya. Kasi nga, yung cycle ng Bitcoin. Are you getting my point? That's how we manage risk, mga titos and titas. So, hindi siya pare-parehas. Titingnan mo yung panahon, ika nga. Kailangan mo tignan yung panahon. Nasaan yung season na natin. Yes, pwede pa tayo umakyat. Pero yun nga lang, pag tinignan nyo po, 50% chance aakyat, 50% chance na bababa. Para sa akin compared noong 2022, 2023, 2024, 80% chance na tataas, 20% chance na bababa. So as a good risk manager, ang trabaho ko is to assess that risk and to manage my trade well using that assessment. Follow for more Tito Moves!